offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to...
Green flight credential.
Flight engineers, repair this. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it! Do it. They move easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coax jump. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
What? Oh,
Yes, keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! Ah, there it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now gunners, shoot the cargo free. Then pilot brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I grab
Press the button.
axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe did something for Otto. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Runners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. The cargo is breaking. Keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get up! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad.
Thank you for watching.